Hi, we're gonna make potato latkes today. You're gonna love it, and the children are gonna love it. So let's do it. Okay, we're gonna need 3 baked potato that size. I start shredding already 1.5. Peel, of course, peel the potatoes, shred them. It's a big shredder. Or if you have food processor, it's easier. Okay, and that's my third one. Oops. If you have a good shredder, it goes really fast. Okay, and 1 medium onion, shred 2. Don't cut it, just shred the whole onion. Oops. You want the onion flavor. Tastes really good. No, I'm not gonna shred my hands. I'm fine. Okay. I did it? Yes, I did it. Okay. The next step is, of course, the potato has a lot of water, so try to squeeze as much as you can. Don't let the potato stay too long. It's gonna release all this water as much as I can. It's coming out? Yes, it is. Okay. I think it's good enough, about. Okay. We're gonna add, rinse my hands. We're gonna add 2 eggs. Start warm up the oil about 1/2 inch deep. So we're gonna fry the potato latke about let's see, teaspoon. No, this is a 1/2 teaspoon, so I think I need about 1.5 teaspoons. No, almost teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, okay, and all-purpose flour about, let's see, I think like 2 tablespoons. Okay, mix. So we got the onion, we got the black pepper, we got the eggs, and we got the flour. Yeah, it looks good. Don't let this mix stay too long. It's gonna be too watery. My oil is hot, I hope so. Okay. I think it's good enough. Very easy to make it. Okay, we're gonna do, I like to shape them with my hands. You can do a spoon trap or shape it with your hands. Let's see the oil. I hope it's hot enough. Okay, We're gonna start. Ooh, my arm, my sleeves. Okay, I like to shape them like nice like this. If somebody like sweet potato, you can shred one medium size of sweet potato too, so gonna be yummy. Okay, let's try with a spoon drop. It's working. Here you go. Okay. Okay, let it heat. You do it like medium high. Okay, I like to shape it with my hands. Mix all the time, you know, before you shape it and put in oil. Oops. Like this. And we wait until it gets brown. And then we're going to turn them over. So we see you in a few minutes. We're going to turn them over. It's getting brown after 3 to 4 minutes. We need this color. Gets brown to the other side. It smells good already. Okay. For another 3-4 minutes to get brown. I think they're ready. Looks good, just like that. Nice brown both sides. Okay. Put them in a paper towel, absorbs the grease. Okay, let's see. Oops. The last one. And mix. It gets watery already. Too fast. Okay. There you go. One more. And this one. Oops. Okay, 3 to 4 minutes to get brown, medium high. The potato latke, you can eat it with sour cream, more fat, but it tastes good. Or some people like it with applesauce, just to put. And yummy. Yummy. Okay, make it. Your kids gonna love it. And yummy. Yummy when it's hot. You can freeze it and then warm it up. Good luck to you. And see you next time for cheesecake. Bye bye.